Hey everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to save a route on Google Maps so you can access it offline. Perfect for road trips or when you don't have internet. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Google Maps app on your phone. Type in your destination and tap Directions to create your route. Step 2. Select your mode of transportation, car, bike, walk, etc. and pick your preferred route. Step 3. For quick access later, you can tap the three dots in the corner and select Add Route to Home Screen. Step 4. Tap Add to add the Google Map in your home screen. Just open it once you need it. Bonus tip: Google Maps will automatically update your offline maps every time you're connected to Wi-Fi, so you'll always have the latest version ready. And that's how you save a route on Google Maps for offline use in 2025. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more handy tutorials. See you next time!